Over 40% of cyber insurance claims were denied in 2024. The most common reason? Businesses could not demonstrate documented security controls. And for invoice fraud specifically, many policies exclude voluntary wire transfers entirely. When you send money to a spoofed vendor, your insurer may classify that as your decision, not a breach. BEC and wire fraud accounted for 60% of all cyber insurance claims last year. Average loss? $44,500. For an independent accountant, one misdirected payment is a professional liability event. No warning, no flag. Spam filters were never designed to compare invoices. What if your inbox caught it before you did? Is building automatic invoice comparison into the mobile app. Changed routing numbers are flagged before you even open the email. Same vendor, same format. Digits changed. Caught automatically. That feature is coming soon, but the product is already live and protecting accountants right now. Today, the SO mobile and desktop apps automatically scan every email for phishing, sender impersonation, suspicious links, urgency patterns. When an invoice needs closer inspection, open the SO dashboard. Upload the current invoice and the previous version. The comparison engine highlights every difference, field by field. The browser extension adds protection inside your inbox. Sender domain verification, PDF link inspection, tracking pixel blocking, all running locally on your device. Everything SO does happens on your device. No cloud server, no email content, no sender information, no invoice data, ever. With over 1.1 million emails processed and the 90% detection rate, SO helps you build the documented security record insurers require. $9.99 a month. Chrome, iOS, Android, desktop. And every threat flagged, every scan completed. SO Email Security. We protect your client's trust without ever seeing a single email.